Have you ever noticed pasta tastes better in restaurants, even when simple? Sometimes the recipe is identical, yet the flavor feels richer. It is not always technique or secret ingredients. Often, it is perception shaping your experience. Your brain influences flavor more than you realize. Environment changes how taste is interpreted. In restaurants, lighting is warmer and softer. Warm light enhances visual richness of food. Plates are larger and colors contrast beautifully. Contrast increases perceived complexity of flavor. Background sounds also affect taste perception subtly. Low noise levels make flavors seem deeper. When you cook at home, distractions are everywhere. Phones, television, and multitasking reduce focus. Reduced focus lowers sensory intensity automatically. Restaurants eliminate most competing stimuli. Another factor is anticipation. When you wait for a dish, expectation increases pleasure. Expectation primes your brain to notice details. At home, food appears instantly without ceremony. Restaurants control pacing carefully. Slower pacing amplifies enjoyment and perceived quality. Social context also matters significantly. Eating with others increases dopamine levels. Higher dopamine enhances flavor perception naturally. Shared meals often feel more satisfying emotionally. At home, routine reduces novelty impact. Novelty strongly boosts sensory appreciation. Even plating height influences perception. Elevated plates create visual importance subconsciously. Heavy cutlery increases perceived value. Perceived value changes how taste is judged. Restaurants design experiences intentionally. Home meals are functional and rushed. The recipe may be identical. The perception is completely different. Flavor is partly chemical, partly psychological. Ignoring psychology limits your results. If you want restaurant-level satisfaction, slow down intentionally. Change lighting slightly before serving dinner. Plate carefully instead of stacking casually. Remove distractions while eating. Invite attention back to the experience. Flavor improves when awareness increases. Restaurant pasta is not always better. The experience around it makes it feel better.